Imagine a blockchain designed from the ground up for stablecoins, launching with over $2 billion in liquidity right out of the gate. That's Plasma and XPL token rollout, set for September 25th, and it's already turning heads in the crypto space. If you're new to this, stablecoins are digital currencies pegged to real-world assets like the US dollar to keep their value steady, unlike volatile tokens like Bitcoin. Plasma aims to make moving these stablecoins faster, cheaper, and more secure. I'll break down the launch details, partnerships, token performance, ecosystem, and their new app that's promising yields over 10%. Stick around to see why this could reshape how we handle money on-chain and how you might get involved. Let's dive right into the heart of it. Plasma's official foundation announced the Mainnet beta launch alongside the XPL token. Plasma is built to handle massive stablecoin volumes, starting as the 8th largest by supply. They claim it'll go live with more than $2 billion in stablecoin liquidity, making it a serious player from day one. For beginners, liquidity means how easily you can buy or sell assets without big price swings. Think of it as the fuel that keeps trading smooth. The future looks promising here, as Plasma positions itself for global money movement without the usual hurdles. That $2 billion, it's backed by real commitments. Plasma will launch with this massive pool, drawing from stablecoins like USDT and others. This puts it ahead of many established chains in terms of ready-to-use funds. But why does this matter? High liquidity attracts developers and users, fostering quick growth. Imagine depositing assets without fees and swapping them instantly. That's what they're enabling through integrated tools. It's like upgrading from a slow highway to a super-fast expressway for your digital dollars. So, no launch happens in isolation, and Plasma's got strong allies. Stargate Finance is the official bridge, letting you buy XPL on launch day and swap into ecosystem assets with zero fees for things like USDT0, USD, and AUSD0. These are OFT assets, or omni-chain fungible tokens, which move seamlessly across blockchains thanks to Layer 0 core tech underneath. Then there's Bitfinex, one of the first exchanges to list XPL, connecting that $2 billion liquidity to a major trading platform. USDT0 on Plasma will also hit Bitfinex, emphasizing anywhere access for your USDT. And don't miss Binance Alpha. It's the first to feature Plasma XPL on September 25th, with an exclusive airdrop for eligible users using their Alpha points. Airdrops are free token distributions to reward early participants, often based on activity. Now, onto XPL itself. Early charts from Hyperliquid show volatile action. It hit highs around $1.40 before dipping to about 60 cents, then stabilizing near 70 cents. One analyst called it a 14x gain from sale price at current rates. All top listings on day one, like Aave and Euler for lending and Athena for yields. Plasma is pulling in over $1.5 billion in TVL, total value locked, or funds committed to the chain. This drew hundreds of millions into the ecosystem in minutes, signaling strong initial demand. To understand Plasma's scope, look at the ecosystem map. It spans infrastructure like NOAA and Hi-Fi Bridge, payments via WalletPay and P2PME, stablecoins including USDT0 and Frax, centralized and decentralized exchanges, bridges like Layer 0 and Stargate, yield providers, real-world assets, and analytics tools. Over 100 DeFi projects are involved, creating a full stack for stablecoin use. This setup standardizes building blocks for global stablecoin adoption, much like shipping containers revolutionized trade. Capping it off is Plasma One, their neobank app and card. It's one app for your money, with no borders. Features include spending while earning 4% cash back, borderless coverage in over 150 countries, zero-fee USDT transfers, and onboarding in minutes. They promise 10% plus yield on stablecoins, meaning your money works until you spend it. Sign up via email for the waitlist to unlock rewards like secure access and high yields. I've joined myself. It's straightforward. Plasma's launch feels like a pivotal step toward practical crypto for everyday use, blending high liquidity with user-friendly tools. While early volatility is normal, the fundamentals, partnerships, ecosystem depth, and focus on stablecoins look solid to me. If this excites you, punch the like button, drop a comment on what you'd want next, maybe more on yields, altcoins, or airdrops. Subscribe for daily updates, and check my previous video on stablecoin yields, link on screen. Let's build smarter portfolios together. What do you think of Plasma? Share below. Never financial advice. See you tomorrow.